Welcome back, Motorheads. Grab your favorite adult beverage, your bottle of Pepto-Bismol, and don't forget that shot of penicillin. You're going to need it. This is what the FRB finds on Facebook Marketplace. First got 1985 Itasca for $1,500. Seller claims this one here just needs a little TLC. Won't take much and won't take long to be usable again. Bring a trailer. Something tells me I smell just a little BS coming out of that statement there, that it's only going to need a little TLC. It will be usable in no time. Y'all make sure you keep that in mind there. It's only $1,500, but hey, come on now. You can definitely get this damn thing back up within 30 days and have this thing usable and ready for the next camping season. But that's only if you don't mind camping and sharing the space with a few extra field mice and a little bit of mold. And they're also throwing in the garlic butt and onion smell for free. Next got a 1995 Chevrolet for $2,000. He said, it's got rust, the engine bearings are making noise, it will need to be replaced. No shit, Sherlock, that thing's got rust. You gotta be safe and sorry. I like the way he's blocking that license plate with his finger. Trust me, dude, ain't nobody coming to steal that damn thing by reading that license plate. Just what in the hell is worth $2,000 damn dollars on this damn thing, dude? You ain't getting no damn $2,000 out of this damn thing, guy. I don't know what the hell, where the hell you get your information on values of this damn thing, but it ain't too great. I don't even think it's worth $200 damn dollars, man. You have to pay somebody to haul it off for you. Next got a 2007 Damon RV for $4,500. Remember, if you're enjoying today's video, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps us out. $4,500. I'm assuming that's the price hold because they say they will part it out. The seller says that it needs a little bit of body work to the roof. It's totally fine. It's the body work's on the top. Nobody's going to see that. I mean, as far as the ceiling goes, just get you a couple thousand rolls of duct tape, maybe a couple sticks, and kind of shove that thing up there out of the way. It'll carry you over till next season. Then you can start your body work and move on to the next small little detail things that just really need just a little bit of attention. Next got 1985 Chevrolet for $4,000. This guy, no water damage. It runs great. I'm calling bullshit on no water damage. I mean, look at that damn corner of that cap. There is definitely water damage in this damn thing. Pristine condition. You know, some people's level of condition definitely vary from person to person. You know, when you're kind of stupid, pristine means, you know, the black mold's kind of at bay because we sprayed it with a little bleach kind of thing. But, you know, when you look there in the corner of the cap and you can see daylight, that's absolutely a place where water comes in there, Riri. Next got 1981 Chevrolet for $3,300. It's a lot of these people just needs a little TLC. It runs great. Oh no, it's a great unit. They're also throwing in the deluxe green cutting board on top of the stove there for free. Just disregard all the Lysol wipes they've been wiping down trying to clean up all the remnants from Puka-Palooza 2024. And they claim if you feel adventurous and pay full price, they'll even throw in the curtains on the top of the bunk. That way you can't see the petri dish of mold that's growing up there. And they will also give you the contents of this RV toilet that from the looks of it, they like Taco Bell. I mean, what the hell was on top of that damn thing? Was that wallpaper? I mean, what in the absolute F? Next got 1989 Fleetwood for $2,500. The seller says he lost interest. It has a little bit of water damage, but the roof needs to be resealed. Well, we can see just a smidgen, just a little bit of water damage. Not a whole lot, you know, it ain't floating away or nothing. Never mind that cabinet kind of hanging down, wanting to hit the passenger in the seat. Lost interest. No, you lost interest because you realize you bought a big piece of poopy, and you think you want to sell it to somebody else, try to get some of your money back because you didn't realize the damn junkyard won't take the damn thing, and you can't get rid of it. Why don't you just go ahead and shove it out there, right out there on that railroad track? I mean, if you're lucky, it might just coast over there and land on the tracks for you, and they'll take care of everything, and even the cleanup. I mean, you know, it's all gone. One shot, you know? Maybe just call ahead, that way the engineer has time to duck before he hits that damn thing. Next got 1985 Ford for $1,000. Oh hell, this is the deal of the day, maybe the deal of the century. This one here runs, just needs a damn battery. Just kind of don't look over there in the corner. There's nothing to see there. Just kind of pan your eyes further to the right. You know what, we'll throw another picture of the front end here to kind of take your eyes away from all that crap that's happening. It does have a little bit of roof leaks, but it is nothing terrible. I mean, don't count it out for $1,000 for God's sakes. I mean, come on, this is a very thrifty unit that you can have for $1,000. I mean, if you've been looking at the marketplace for a while, these damn things are going for 10 grand, didn't you know that? You know, I know what I got here. Don't try and lowball me with some little stupid figure that you got rolling around in your brain, because, you know, we know what mold is worth, for God's sakes. Next, got a 2001 Chevrolet for $5,000. Seller says, body is not great. They're moving on because they bought a new one. They don't need this one any longer. I mean, I don't know what they're talking about. I mean, the body looks fine to me. I mean, that is superb body work. I've never seen better glass work anywhere. And this is definitely marketplace approved body work. And just the interior, you know, a little bit of paint, yes indeedy, it'll be just fine. You may want to bring like an oxygen tank to kind of wear over your face, some sort of snorky or something. You know, I don't know if a CPAP machine will work or not, but it might help. Sad thing is, I'd like to have that motor and transmission out of that thing, because that's really not a bad price just for that motor and transmission. But I wouldn't want the pain in the ass of getting rid of the rest of this damn thing. Next, got a 1989 Chevrolet for $2,500. Oh dear God, I don't know what the hell's going on the inside of that RV, because everything on the inside is trying to escape to the outside. There must be some really bad shit inside this damn RV. The mold was literally making a break for it. It was running out the other side of the RV. Oh, for God's sake, look at that wall. No. $2,500. No, fucking $2,500. Oh, for God's sake, what the hell's wrong with you people? Next, got a 1992 GMC for $8,000. Now we have a superb GMC, also known as the Grab My Cousin 9000. If you're looking for the next vehicle to take to the next family reunion so you can impress your cousins, maybe take one home and marry them and run off into the sunset and live forever making little inbred children that run around with 3 fingers and 9 toes and 6 eyeballs and other kind of creepy shit, $8,000 is not a bad deal. Next, got a 1976 Dodge for $1,800. Now, what in the hell do we have here? Oh, we got a nice little 76 here. It's got a brand new roof, courtesy of their local odd lots there when they had the tarps on sale to keep the water out, keep it at bay. That way you don't float around. You know, nobody likes watery eggs in the morning when you're trying to make you some fried eggs for breakfast and things like that. And soggy bacon and sausage and biscuits just really doesn't sound too appealing. At least not for me and the rest of the world who don't live in squalor like this. But, you know, $1,800. This damn thing does not run. But, you know, you still should take that to your house and put it in your yard. That way you have a conversation piece. That way the rest of all your neighbors can come and yell and talk to you as much as his neighbors have come. I mean, it really brought his neighborhood together having this damn thing at his house. It can do wonders for you. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you liked today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Even consider subscribing if you haven't. I don't know why you haven't. But go ahead and do it. It doesn't cost you anything. And we'll see you guys in the next one.